Hello and welcome, it's Peter here, Piotr Fissner. Guys, this video is especially for the repair shops, yes, so electronic repair shops and IT repair shops. Either for shops who are doing it from home, like me on a part-time basis, or for shops who've got premises, yes, and they are working on the high street or wherever they can, yes. So now, let me get more comfy. I will try to be quick, but there is a few things which I would like to discuss. So first foremost, yes, this is not a regular business, this is not a regular project. We use profits to create another project as great as the Right to Repair are. I won't be going into details. When you will meet what the Inte.Team is, Integrity Team, the business behind the Right to Repair, you will understand. Yes, so profits are not used so that I will be richer. Profits are used to create another great project. Now the book repair online software has been created because number of shops said to me that, oh, I don't have any decent booking system, I don't know how to manage my business, how to get a decent supplier, or if I'm ordering from eBay, that's not always working for me. Sometimes I'm ordering from AliExpress and it's not always working for me. So we want to resolve all these issues. We've got ways around it. I'm working 20 plus years in repairs. I started in 90s. With analogs, of course, yes, who was thinking digitals. Then in 2000 I started to interest in the IT. So in 2001 I was working for 3.5 years in the Info.com Polish computer store. And then I went back to electronics, believe it or not. And then I went to connect, like 2 years ago I started micro soldering, yes, so you get a microscope and everything you can see on this channel. I'm doing all household electronics. So now, bookRepairOnline.co.uk has been created to keep it always cheap. It's not a software which you have to pay for. You don't have to pay for coding, you don't have to pay for updates, you don't have to pay for archive, yes, for backups, nothing like that. And it will be always developed. So if we will think that there is some better feature to replace the existing one with, we will do it. If we will think that, okay, let's add this or that, we will do it, yes. My proposition is £10 per account at Book Repair Online, because that should sustain and the support for the app and the hosting, yes, and give us some money for the web development later. So now what I want to say is, what Right to Repair is to integrate all the people, yes, all the people, and swap what they are paying to use the same services, the same products via Inte.Team, and then we will get commissions. And from those commissions, affiliate commissions, yes, we will get at least 1 million members who can use our partner repair shops, like you guys if you want to join. And then imagine yourself, we've got like 1 million or more customers, yes, which every month generate us at least £1 to £2 per month each, yes. Then we will be able, to sustain our business and build fixable electronics. Now we don't want to sell these fixable electronics via Caris, PC World, Tesco, you name it, yes. All we want is to manufacture them in China, because we can't manufacture them here at the moment, and then sell them via our partner shops. So if somebody will go to our website, they can go to their local shop. If there will be no local shop, they will be able to order it online, yes. That's why we want to partner with shops all across the country, yes. And we look for at least 2 repair shops from one area, yes, at least 2. If we will have 2, we will probably stop and we will move on to another area. So if you're not lucky and you didn't go, still try to get in touch with us. It's just that we don't want force people to join us. We want shops who think that we're doing a great thing, because we're doing great thing, guys. We know nobody has to tell us that Apple is making life really difficult, and they go into the extent that our job will be forgotten one day. Yes, we small businesses can go out of the business because of those big companies. So either we will integrate, yes, and we will create sustainable future, or we will just for our profession, I mean, or we will go off the market. Yes. Now the software, the book repair online software, is created that you not only can your customer come through your link and book repair online with you, but in the future you will have a custom domain. We just need more time to book in, and we've got no funds, so we're doing it on a part-time basis. So I count for the whole year, I can't have number of web developers who are coding, because we've got no funds. We are volunteers. All of us are volunteers. So that's why, we struggle to do it as quickly as we could. So either use will come, and then we can have people, coding for us, or we have to code in the spare time and do it, as affordable as possible, yes, to all of us. We don't count on the donations that you will come and give some donation to us. We don't count on anything like that. We just are crowd based, that when people will be using all products and services, then we will be sustainable. Now in that software you can do a lot of things, and I would say that the best way is just come to us, apply for the account, let me verify the account, accept it, and when you will have this account you can watch the video about it in more detail, or you can just go there and check it yourself. You can manage your stock. In future, accountant will have a different access, and not all the stock they see will be, not all the stock will be taxable. Yes, so what you will say to them, this is taxable, this is not, this is just my private inventory. Yes, so everything is designed for us, for you, for me, because I'm using this software for months now on a daily basis. My customers are using it, and we are extremely happy with it. We've got Stripe payment, so it's cheap payment. It's not some deal like PayPal, so people can pay for their services with their card. What else is over there? It's responsible on mobile devices, so we don't need an extra app that customer has to download it or anything. They just go to the web browser, log in, and they've got it there. Now the inventory is global as well, if you will allow it. There is a setting global or just private inventory. Now the difference in it is that the global inventory allows other repair shops to see that you've got certain things in your inventory. Now what it does is, let's say I've got, like, I don't want to show you, but I've got a lot of stuff. Like here we got hard drive to Xbox One S, yes, here we got mainboard to Xbox, One S, okay, that's One S. Grease, thermal grease. So I've got this mainboard, yes, and I know what's wrong with it, and I can put it in my inventory and mark it as that fault. Now you might have a customer and will need certain components out of it. You can then call me and say, Peter, I need this or that, or can you sell me the whole mainboard? Yes, because I've got a customer and I need, let's say, MOSFETs. Yes, 2 MOSFETs died. And then instead of waiting on eBay with the delivery, yes, you can just literally have this fixed in no time, and your customer doesn't have to wait. So the more shops we will have in the future, the more fluent it will be, and you won't have to count on eBay to help you out. You will be able to go to your local community to have these things fixed. Yes, of course, if you will have NAND memory faulty, yes, and you don't have backup of it, Microsoft won't help you, we won't help you as well, and then that mainboard won't be fixed. So unless we will crack the code, or Stevie B will crack the code, maybe, who knows, one day, then yeah, we can talk, yes, but for the moment, from Xbox One onward, nothing was cracked yet, so I've got no time to play with it, so sorry guys. But anyway, if I will have a good mainboard, I can put it as well, yes? If I will have a good hard drive, I can put it as well, and then all the repair shops which are signed with us can see it, and when they need it, they don't have to wait on eBay 3 to 5 working days, yes? But they can have it fixed just now. So all those electronics which we see, you know, if one of us is fixing Xboxes, second place person is fixing Macs, for instance, yes? Another person will fix whatever, yes? So I've got an iPad here, 8, yes, with digitizer. So, you know, if I will have this, you will have that, we can have a lot of spare parts, yes? And then we can help each other, rather than working as a competition and let's say not helping, not taking the advantage of the integrity, yes? What else is, guys? What else? Yeah, okay, I will now get 2 people working part-time, probably only about 5 hours a week, no more. These people will be adding our database. So what it is, it will be sort of like a simple forum with posts and categories. Now, why we need it in that software? It's simple, guys. It's just that I've got knowledge for so many years, yes, I can share with you. I can share YouTube channels, I can share procedures, yes, how to diagnose this if there's no power, yes, and then other people can comment on it. I can edit, yes, or I can delete it, and I can create it, but other people can only comment on it. Admin can manage everything, and then there will be how to learn. That section will be for those repair shops who can't fix it yet. For instance, person can fix laptops, they don't know anything about Xboxes. So now it would be good for them to learn what tools are needed, what are the typical faults, yes, like, you know, this display, when and how to check the hard drive, when and how to check TPD 158 or 159 here, yes, in this case actually. You know, what and how, yes. If you've got oscilloscope, you might be tapping into this wee guy, yes, to see if the 25 megahertz you've got, or here later over the NAND on resistors, yes, and see if you've got a signal from south bridge, and you will know if the south bridge is working. So there's not a lot, you know. The oscilloscope for the PC costs you like 60 quid, the cheapest one, and you can do it, yes, but you need to know it. Not only digital multimeter, by capacitance meter as well sometimes, yes, for 16 quid even of eBay if you can't afford dear one. So all those tools, if we can specify over there in how to learn, these won't be editable by people, but again, people can comment on it, yes. So then we can teach each other. And why? Because we've got a new software and new hardware, and we've got still issues with it. Like, people are just, you know, I just been at Book Repair Online, I just been asking, do I fix gamepads for the Oculus Quest, yes, for instance. This thing will go wrong, you know, it's like just a matter of time, yes. So it's going now. I get a customer with it, yes. And before, like 2 years ago, no, just no, yes. But it will. HDMI ports will fail. They will, yes. So it won't change, you know. It will be still faulty, and all the robots they building, that will still be faulty, especially because robots are mechanical. So if you've got robots for home, somebody will have to service it. So it's better if we will learn it first, and we will share this knowledge among each other, yes, and take an advantage of it, and make sure that we will build fixable electronics, yes, fixable. Now what it is if we can have 1 million or more people and have £1 or £2 from those affiliate links, because they are using electricity, gas, mobiles, internet, and etc., yes, and we've got all those few just quit, yes, or £1, we've got this 1 million pound, and now we can go to companies, create us, and we share schematics, we share board view, we share the components, yes, So if we have to marry something, we will either give you an opportunity to buy other married components, yes, and you can just rebuild it yourself, or you can buy a rebuild one and just, you know, replace it if you've got a preheater like I do, or BGA workstation, yes, and you can do it, yes, if that's a matter of security. But other than that, you should be able to get all the components, yes. So together we can make this world a bit better place. And then again, we don't need profits, keep it in mind, because all the profits we will have, that's extra, you know, because we people are putting our money first for those affiliate links. So we don't need to take from our pocket and pay for the right to repair. We can't pay for the right to repair, guys. I don't know if you are aware of that. Governments are paid by those big companies, yes, and these big companies can lobby. So as long as these big companies can lobby, we can only integrate and we can do projects like right to repair on our own terms. That means we can produce fixable electronics and we can refuse to buy other products. So we need to produce as good products as they are producing, yes, to be as competitive as they are, and then they will wake up. They will pretty much wake up. They will have no other choice, because our products will be cheaper, and if not cheaper, will be the same quality but fixable. So what your customer will pick now, fixable or non-fixable? If I'm replacing a diode for 20p, 20, sometimes few pence, yes, you pay £1 including the delivery charge for 10 pack, or £2 for 10 pack, yes, and including the delivery. So then you're replacing one diode, and you've got a Mac fixed, yes. Like this is a bit different fault actually. That's an old iMac, black screen, so probably, you know, the boot sector is dying. But anyways, you know, like, so then you replace one diode, and no Mac store can tell you that you need to pay them £1,000 for the repair, yes, because you can make good money by doing so, by changing just the diode, yes. So why not integrate? Yes, let's integrate, guys. Let's integrate. Let's make this world slightly better. And if we will do it, if we will prove it, let's open another project like vertical farms, yes, and let's produce healthier food with no pesticides or something for the profits we've got, because we've done a good job in the first place, yes. So that's why I'm saying to you, the book repair online software can't be dear, has to be affordable for everyone, and for people who want to learn as well. Because if person want to learn, they just subscribe for, let's say, £10 per month, and they've got all resources to learn, and then all software to use, and then tap into the local community of repair shops, yes, and can share experience with them, and can help local community together, and can have spare parts from local community going back to the local community. Is it not that great, guys? Come on. I'm super excited about it. I'm creating it for the last 5 years, believe it or not. I failed once big time, and I've changed it to the way that it's unstoppable, because it's not opened at one country. This project is opened at more countries than just the UK. So yes, and then when we will have fixable devices, now look, with other countries we will have bigger turnover. So that means we can guarantee cheaper prices, because now if you will add another country on top of the UK, now you've got more volumes of sales. When you've got more volumes of sales, guess what? We can negotiate better prices, yes? So if we'll have now 5 countries, imagine yourself, far better prices, yes? So guys, I know it's 20 minutes video, but at the end of the day, I hope you see that I'm not wasting your time. I want to make sure that you will thrive, and you need to help me to thrive, because if I will thrive, you will thrive. Guys, thank you for watching. If you are interested, please get back to me. Details are at the right to repair, and at thebookRepairOnline.co.uk. Thank you guys, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.